gonna be great!
Ivan, smile! Plunge po ba ako ulit?
Sabi nila, you'll take another plunge.
Yeah, I heard. Nag-feet first ka!
Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah!
Sky, 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 sky.
Gusto ko nga yung parang dead kaso nga lang baka mag-crack somewhere. Di ba? Yung parang patay look. Ivan, look here!
Wave!
Layo. Sabay ko yung Candy. Low five.
Low five, low five.
Wala mo itong makasaraw lang eh. Kapag matod?
Feeling ko kaya ng heart yung adrenaline rush.
Oo.
Mga future...
Parang, ayun. Napapagod na ako. Masakit din sa legs yung harness. I mean...
Or kung pwede kang tumalon, running start. Grabe siguro yun.
Yun, hindi ko yata kaya. Yun yung ikaw yung tatalon.
At
yung
your
hindi
own
ka yung
will.
bibitawan.
At your own will, siguro.
Medyo mahirap yun.
So, if someone's gonna have a happy ending, you should too.
Yeah!
Come on, Manoy. Come on. Come on. Hindi siya nag-deny yun.
I know! Silence means
Consent. Give it record, guys.
Just for your information.
We're not talking to Manoy pa.
Galing mo, Ivan!
Go, Ivan! Happy birthday. Ako,
Happy birthday! Hindi ka daw sumigaw ng happy birthday!
Sorry, I was scared for my
Miss,
life.
happy birthday daw! Wala.
Uy, okay yun, no?
Bumawi! Mag-happy birthday!
Actually, can I just not drop you? Can you just, you know...
Slowly dangle?
Yeah, like dangle and they bring it to the middle or something like that. And
No,
they pull you every now and then so you just swing around. Seriously.
Ang pinapahit mo sa thrill, darling. Yung patanggal na. You're not paying for the ride. You're paying for the experience.
Meron namang experience na
Sa view.
More
siguro. Isa yung reclining at yung I have the list for you. Kayaking ko na ba?
Yeah! Go, Ivan!
You did shout happy birthday!
Ang saya siguro kung kasama yung feet mo sa leaves.
Tired or happy?
Happy tired. Yung iilag-ilag ka dun sa tree.
Wow! Mga Tarzan. Wala nang sapatos. Oh shit, my shoes!
Padong nga rin, aga ko pa yung katras, dili rin ko sa pilita. Samang lagi naghapa.